Hello everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the steps of buying and redeeming Steam gift cards. So let's start with buying. Open your web browser and search for Steam gift card. Choose a reputable website. Select your desired card and click Buy Now. Adjust the quantity if needed. Enter any discount codes and proceed to checkout. Log in or sign up, set up your payment method, and finalize the purchase. And once done, you'll have your Steam gift card ready. So, moving on to redeeming your Steam gift card. Open the Steam app or go to the Steam website. Hover over your username. Click on Account Details. And then, select Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Alternatively, you can go directly to the wallet page by clicking your username and selecting View My Wallet. On the wallet page, find and click Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Enter your Steam wallet code and click Continue. Confirm the value and voila! Your Steam wallet is loaded and ready to use for game purchase. And that's all. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!